In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an envelope using DocuSign eSignature, a comprehensive guide for 2025. We'll walk through every step of the process, from logging in to sending off your document. This straightforward guide is ideal for anyone, whether you're new to DocuSign or looking to refine your skills. So let's get started. First, head over to DocuSign.com. Once there, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. Logging in is your first essential step, as it allows you access to all the DocuSign features. Now that you've logged in, you'll be welcomed by the dashboard. Look for the Start button and select Send an Envelope. This is where the magic begins. You have the option to upload the document or documents that you wish to be signed. DocuSign supports a variety of formats such as PDFs, Word documents, Excel files, and even images. Remember, you can upload multiple files into a single envelope, making it easier to manage and send a set of documents in one go. Next, let's focus on adding recipients to your envelope. You'll need to enter the name and email address of each signer. Accuracy here is key. A small typo can delay the entire process. After adding the recipients, you'll assign them roles such as needs to sign, needs to view, or receives a copy (CC). You may also choose needs to approve if you want someone to approve the document before completion. These roles help streamline the process by notifying each recipient of their specific task. Once your recipients are set, it's time to craft a compelling message. Start with the subject line that clearly indicates the purpose of the document, like "Please review and sign contract." Follow up with a custom message that includes any specific instructions or deadlines, such as "Please sign by Friday to finalize the deal." This personal touch not only provides clarity but also encourages timely action and response. We're nearly there. Now click Next to enter the Prepare view. Here you'll place the necessary fields onto the document. Simply drag and drop elements such as signature fields, date fields, initials, or text boxes onto your document. It's crucial to assign each field to the correct recipient, and DocuSign makes this easy with color coding for different users. Before sending, double check everything. Review recipient details, roles, and ensure all fields are correctly placed to avoid any mishaps. Once satisfied, click Send. DocuSign then takes over, automatically emailing the envelope